Hey loves, in today's video, I'll be showing you how I created this cute and easy Halloween themed nail art. To save time in today's tutorial, I applied my base colors off camera. For my thumb and pinky nails, I used the Your Sugar gel in shade 666. And for the other three nails, I applied the Modesa gel in shade Nude 3. These polishes, along with everything else that I use in today's video, is available in the description. I am creating a French tip design on the index nail using that 666 gel from Your Sugar. I will cure this for 30 seconds. Now with my L-BOST liner brush, I am taking the Beetles gel in shade 346. It is a gorgeous dark purple, and I am outlining the curve of that French tip nail design. And again, after I perfect it, I will cure for 30 seconds. This jack-o'-lantern decal is from the May 12-sheet Halloween nail decal set, available on Amazon. I'm applying a thin layer of the Aimeili No Wipe top coat to seal in that sticker, and I'm also using it as an adhesive for my rhinestones. I am using a mixture of purple, clear, and yellow stones that I purchased from the beauty supply store. When I'm done, I will then cure this nail for 30 seconds. For my next design, I'm starting off by painting the top right corner of the nail with that Beetles 346 gel color. I will apply 2 coats, curing each for 30 seconds. Now I am painting the bottom left corner of the nail using Beetles gel shade 348. I didn't know what I wanted to do with this nail at first, but I figured since I am getting into practicing drawing nail art, I went with a simple stitch design using that black Your Sugar gel. The middle looked too empty, so I decided to also apply this skull sticker. Adding top coat to seal in my design and also secure my stones. My nails are done, and I absolutely love this color combination and the designs that I did. I went with a simple bling nail for my ring finger just to tie all of the colors and this set together. I will list all of the products that I used in the description. Leave me a comment below telling me what you think of this Halloween themed nail art, and until next time, bye loves!